We come here to fix the kneelers each year because I think they're just absolutely beautiful pieces of tapestry, and we'd like to keep them going in the chapel.
We need to fix the kneelers because otherwise they're going to disintegrate and that history will be gone. It's important that they last for maybe another 10 years.
I come back each year because I catch up with some friends that are here, but I still think it's important to give back to the school that I felt that my boys benefited so much. And I also feel that it's important because in the past we haven't had many numbers. Today's been a great selection of people. I think it's the largest group I've seen for quite a few years. It's just a way of catching up with the mothers who had their boys at the school. So it's my contribution.